know how they sent one box for me and one box for Shaq.
Now my team, own brothers I ride with, though I got no whip. Brothers we scheme, trying to cuff a bad bitch, so this light skin short.
Ayo, welcome back to another unboxing. And I guess we unboxing whatever the hell is in the title, because I got two packages here. I ain't got a clue what crepes in what one. We just finna open it up and see what's inside. This video is actually going to be a two-parter, so make sure to keep your eyes open for the part 2. But yeah, I managed to cop on the Reebok and Bape collab. Both pairs I hit. It was quite an easy win, so I was quite blessed with that. But I think it was a shock drop because I had no clue these were coming out. And normally if it's Bape, it's on my radar. So yeah, I had no clue. But bless it to the people who hit up my DM and was like, yo, Shay, you need to go grab these real quick. These just dropped. So yeah, I guess we're just gonna pick a box and see what we get. So let's go. So like a kid at Christmas, I had to pick the biggest box first. I mean, come on, I gotta see what's inside here, innit? So as always, your first look is definitely gonna be my first look on this channel. So make sure you go leave a like, a comment, subscribe, and let's see what pair we got here. It's either gonna be the Club C or the Instapumps. I never had a pair of Reeboks, so just call me H, because it's gonna be a learning curve for all of us. Oh, this is actually wham. Like actually it could be bigger than me. Bruh. Hey. Can't lie, yeah, I low-key picked these ones first because I thought it was finna be these ones, because these were the ones that I wanted the most. Whatever you finna say about the shoes, this box is hard. Like, you know I love Bape, man, so come on. We've got all the different Bape colours around this joint. We've got the little Bape stuff, we've got the Reebok classics, a Bape head with a mashup of the Reebok logo. Nice little pull from the top for the ting. Yeah, I kind of think I probably went half a size too big, but when I've never, you know, bought from Reebok before, I was like, I'm gonna play it safe, I'm gonna go for a 5.5, because y'all sneakerheads know that it's always easier to fit a crepe than it is to need more room. So if it is gonna be a bit roomy, whatever. So yeah, I went for a 5.5 here. But it's saying it's a US 6.5, and I've never had a US 6.5, only a 6, but I don't know, I'm praying they'll fit. If not, we're just gonna double sock it up or something. You know how we do. Oh yeah, and that means that these are gonna be the Instapumps. I know I'm raw getting into it, but I'm gassed. It's Bape, I'm gassed. I want to open it. Dope box, fully rating for the box, but we're gonna get in. Alright, so I don't know if you can see it, but I'll zoom in. Nice little Bape tissue paper, the Bape star, you know. Yeah, kind of plain, but it says what it is, isn't it? Ooh, shit. These are weird as fuck. Do you know what? They look really small. Like, they look mad small. So maybe I did the right thing, innit? I need to take a minute on these. I'm a bit confused. Now I've got both out. I definitely feel a lot better about them. This colorway is a bit mashup. I actually prefer this one, but I've always loved the clean green camo on Bape. So maybe that's it. So yeah, it's a mashup of colors. I was expecting to be a bit more coherent, but it's literally an explosion of Bape. I want to see if these are comfy, because they look like they're gonna be comfy, if I'm honest. But hey, we'll get to that later. We're gonna look at the details first. Before anything, we should go in with the colorway first. I can't really pin down this colorway, but let's go for the right crepe first. And we'll go from the back of the heel. We've kind of got this red Bape pattern with the Bape Start logo. They've changed it up a little bit, and they've actually put in the Reebok logo also, so that's also there on the heel. We've also got this nice chunky sole heel, kind of giving me a bit of a dad shoe vibe, but I feel like, you know, the comfort is gonna come from there. I'm gonna say the green Bape camo is the primary colorway for this right crepe, because we've kind of got it all over the side panelings and a bit on the front, and it also runs into this Bape purple that we've got. We've once again got the Reebok logo kind of on the tongue. The tongue's a bit mash up. Like, I've never seen a crepe orchestrated like this. It's all cut out. It's all kind of like got this like elasticated bit, which I guess is just gonna, you know, mold to your foot, which is great. I don't actually know what these parts are on the Instapump, but I know that's what makes it an Instapump. We've got the Bape logo on there, and whatever the hell this bit is, let me know, Reebok fans, because I'm new to the Reebok club. I don't know. I'm not gonna hold you on that one. The toe box, you know, kind of comes in with this purple Bape also, but we've also got a little bit of orange on there too. I'm just a bit lost, if I'm honest, but I feel like it might look nice on the foot. On the inside, we've kind of got, let me take this out real quick. Inside sole, we've got a Reebok Classic with the little asterisk. It's kind of what we have with the Bapes. They've kind of mashed up the two things there and put it on the insole. Kind of plain, just black with that in. But I guess you gotta go plain somewhere. Or maybe you should have just mashed up the whole thing. Like, let's just go all out in it. But yeah, nice little plain insole there. The sole, we've just got like Reebok. I don't know if this is standard on a Reebok. Again, you will have to let me know. But yeah, kind of just a clean white midsole and black sole, I guess. I guess we get onto the left crep. Okay, left crep, let's go. Colorway. Right, start from the back again. It's all very much similar apart from the colorways change. We've got this again. This is kind of another standard Bape colorway that's, you know, the most, I won't say generic, but it's the most used out of all of them. Again, same, they've switched it up with the logo. This primary one is more of a blue, and then we go into the orange tongue and the red toes. Once again, on the inside, it's the same insoles. Yeah, it's basically the same, but they just mixed up the colorway on this one. You probably see me that I'm not looking at the camera too much. I'm looking at the crep because I'm just trying to put it all together. Like the way they've cut out these sides, the way you've kind of got these elasticated fronts, the pump that I still don't know what it's for. Got the tags, like it's a mazza. Like for real, it's a mazza, and I want to like them, but at the minute it's a madness. I think you need to put a fit with these. These are a crep that you need a decent fit, or you're just gonna look, you're gonna look dumb. Like for real.
Well then.
So if you want to see more like fits and shoes, and definitely go check me out on Instagram. Little shameless plug there, because I do tend to post more fits over there. But I'm gonna have to work that one out for a minute, because even I don't know what fit I'm gonna wear with these. I also want to just note on here that they've used a lot of different materials, and I've only kind of just clocked this. So we've kind of got these rough materials on for the back and the toe box, like tongue. The tongue is also like super spongy, so I feel like it's, you know, gonna be comfortable. I think that's what the Instapumps are. They're kind of like made to be comfy. But these other like more of the side cut out panelings and stuff, it's really soft. Like I don't know what material it is, so I'm not gonna pin that down. Yeah, it kind of gives me the vibe that I'm going camping. It's kind of that material, and I don't know if you can tell, I'm not really the type of gal that goes camping, but that's what it is, isn't it? This might be a shock to a lot of people, but the Bape Kid is kind of only gonna give these a 5 for a gas rating, only purely because they're so out there that even I can't really begin to think what I'm gonna wear these with. Like everything is different, even like the inside the green here and the blue here, and yeah. But that being said, they could be super comfy, and I could find a dope outfit, and they could be bumped up like crazy. I feel like they could go up to at least a 7 if I can get a 5 fit with them. But if even, you know, I like putting fits together, and I'm here going, I don't know what I'm gonna wear, I know that's going to be the same for a lot of people. I'm finna try them on as always and give you a little size guide. Okay, I'm back. I lied. They're fire. I just tried them on, and I'm telling you, yeah, they were a perfect size. I'm really glad that I got a 5.5. I can tell these are going to be comfy. I'm looking down because they're literally on my feet right now. They're giving me some height in it. So, I don't know, maybe that's ratings. I don't mind being a small gal, but it does give me a little bit extra height. So maybe if you want a bit extra height, yeah, these are the ones for you. But you can tell they're not gonna rub. The material is so soft on your feet. It's like you're not wearing crepes.
Feels like I'm wearing nothing at all. Nothing at all. Nothing at all.
It's nice. And yeah, the colorway doesn't actually look too mad when it's on. I got a plain kind of all black fit right on, obviously now. I don't think I'd wear them with this. I'd probably switch it up. But Nah man, they are super comfy, trust me. Yeah man, true to size, comfy, and they're Bape. You know what I'm saying? They're Bape. You know I love my Bape, innit? Hey yo, so thanks for unboxing with me again this week. Keep your eyes peeled for the part 2 of this, and it might be interesting because you saw how mashup I was about these, and actually it's the next ones that I wasn't sure about if I was gonna like or not. So yeah, keep your eyes out for that. As always, peace, love, I'll catch you in the next one.